To connect the Galaxy Buds 4 Pro into the application, first of all, on your phone, you have to make sure that you have turned on the Bluetooth. So just expand the settings and make sure that you are gonna turn it on, but do not connect them by using a standard boot settings because it's not gonna work properly. So now we have to go into the Google Play Store and we have to download the Galaxy wearable application. If you have a Samsung phone, then you don't have to do that because these features from Galaxy app are available in just normal boot settings. But if you have other Android phone, like in my case, I've got Vivo X200 Pro, I have to get it. So now you have to just open this application and you have to grab your earbuds and you have to first of all close the case. When indicator turn on, we have to open it with both earbuds inside and we have to click and hold this small button until this indicator starts blinking with these 3 different colors. Now we can release and keep that open. Click to start. If you are using this application for the first time, you will have to also accept a lot of permissions. Now, as you can see, they are visible, so we can just simply click on them, connect, and we can just go forward. And we have to accept here the end user license agreement and click agree. Now click next. And we are all set. But sometimes you will be forced to log into the Samsung account. So we can just do this. If you don't have Samsung account, you will have to create it, or you can use your Google account as a Samsung account. There's the option. In the most cases, you will be like redirected into the browser where you have to click login by using a Google account.